Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh and I am a business analyst at Oyo. In this video, I will be explaining SUMIFS function. So SUMIFS function basically allows us to sum the values that meet more than one criteria or condition. And the syntax for this function is SUMIFS, then sum range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2, and then so on. Here the sum range means simply the range we would like to sum. Then criteria range 1 is the first range in which criteria 1 is checked. And criteria 1 is the first criteria that we need to check, right? Now we have this small example here as well. So here I have this small data set where I have 4 columns. Name, so these are some random names: George, Ellie, Lev, Josh, and so on. Then age, city, and number of pets. And let's say if someone asks us, can you please find the total number of pets of people that are under the age of 60 and are from New York? Okay, so basically what we need to do is we need to find the number of pets here, this column, and with two conditions. That is, first, the age of the people should be under 60, and second, those are from New York, right? So here I can simply use the SUMIFS function. So if I have to show you in this data set, so this George, this will meet the condition as his age is 19 and that is less than 60, and he also belongs from New York. Okay, and he have number of pet is 1 here. So let me just highlight this. And then this Josh also meet the condition, right? And then this Yov also meet the condition. This David does not meet the condition as his age is not less than 60, right? So as you can see here, if we do the sum manually as well, 1 plus 1 2 and then 2 4, so we are sure that our answer should be 4, right? So here let me use SUMIFS function. So equal to SUMIFS, then first is sum range, the range we would like to sum. Here I would like to sum the number of pets, so I have selected this range, then comma, criteria range 1. So my first criteria is that the age should be less than 60, and age column is this. So age should be less than 60, so double quotes less than 60 and then double quotes close, then comma, criteria range 2. So my second condition is that city is New York. So my city column is this, city is New York. Okay, and then parenthesis close, and if I press enter, our sum would be 4. Okay, so I hope you understand SUMIFS function, and if you have any doubt, please comment. And I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video.